Okay, guys. Now we're going to unboxing this Barbie cutie reveal. It consists of 7 surprises. Let's see the box first. So there's the type. Look, and this is the box. It's like a tube.
Let me see the type. Can I see the type first?
Yes, you can.
There's an elephant. There's a tiger. There's
What?
a bird or owl. I don't know. And there's also Chelsea.
Chelsea's there.
Chelsea is using
Oh.
a monkey there.
And this one is what? Look here.
Chelsea's friend.
Chelsea's friend. Okay, so here on top, there's a heart shape. There's a hole here, and I
can't
can
wait
feel
to
the
open it.
doll. Okay, let's open. Oh, there's some tape here.
Open the tape first. Let me get Popo.
You want to show Popo?
Okay. Okay, guys. This is the cute Popo.
Okay, it's almost done, guys.
I see.
Yep, we already opened it.
Got
Oh,
the
look.
shells.
Show, darling. No, they cannot see. Yep. Oh, this is like kind of bird.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. That's fun. And here, no more inside. Look, we
There
got
is plastic.
3
Here's the
pots
Chelsea.
here. That's Chelsea? How come? Chelsea becoming bird?
That's
The mask? Oh, this is the mask,
like
guys.
for
Look.
Halloween.
Oh, for Halloween?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna open it.
That's the
first.
costume then.
Let me open it so you
Oh,
can
that's
see how
Chelsea,
it
guys.
looks.
Look.
There's actually a code if you want to open
Barbie cutie reveal. Nice. Show the Chelsea face. Oh, hey, I'm Chelsea.
it. What? Chelsea looking over there.
Oh, the hair is so
She's
colorful.
looking over
So,
there.
how about if you?
This is
So
hard.
this is like the manual
See,
inside,
the
guys.
eyes.
Okay. Oh, so there are. You got this one, right?
I got this one.
So 3 more to go.
There's all Chelsea's.
All Chelsea's. Okay. Now open this one by one. What's
Is
inside?
this the skirts?
This-
Yeah, I'm
Oh, that's
correct.
the skirt.
This is
Show first the skirt.
Here.
Guys, that's the skirt.
Rainbow skirt.
Okay.
Let me put this skirt on. Sorry, I have to make it backwards.
Yep. Can you? Okay. The skirt's on. Show. That's the high. Okay. Show.
That's
Show.
perfect.
Chelsea already wear the
There
skirt.
you go.
Okay. Then the second.
Let's open
Second
the
one?
second one. This looks like a carpet.
Yeah, that's gonna be the wings, right?
I
Yeah, from top.
On the top.
Like this, darling. Actually, from here. Okay.
Yes.
Oh, that's
there
another
are
shoes,
the
guys.
shoes.
The
Let me
pink
put
shoes,
them.
guys. Let me show. So this is the pink shoes.
This is the other one.
Okay. So this is the when
Can I have the
Chelsea used
shoe?
the
Oh, here
costume, the bird costume.
For
This is
Halloween.
like the Big Bird, you know, Big Bird in Sesame Street. Is
Yeah.
it? Right? All right, almost done. So the last,
I'm already
the
done.
purple one. Show.
There's Chelsea looks like a Chinese
Ah, okay. Now
girl.
show
Chelsea
this.
looks like a Chinese girl in the camera.
Yeah. Open this.
Open that one, Missy Luck.
Yep.
What? This is the doll.
There's a doll bird show, darling. Oh, so cute. So that's all we got.
And you say it's color reveal or something like that?
No more, yeah. So this is Chelsea with the Halloween a Big Bird costume. That Halloween Big Bird costume. It comes with the
And you
doll,
say it's like a Halloween like that.
and then
You know, it's like you say color reveal. You know?
yeah, it's stated here. Not cutie reveal, and then it
Oh,
has
see that?
skirt.
See this?
What? Oh, guys, look. I think if we put into the water, the color will change. But how about if we do it tomorrow, okay?
Yeah.
So we make another video where we put into the water. Is it stated here? Oh, look, guys, yeah. There's instruction here. If you put to hot and cold water, I think You can see like the heart shape on the cheek,
Yeah.
right? Oh, that's so cute. Okay.
I'm gonna play. Okay, bye guys.
Bye guys. That's it. The unboxing of Barbie Cutie reveal with Chelsea and Big Bird. Okay.
Bird?
Yes, like Sesame Street. Not so.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Bye.
Ah!